Most people wait until they feel confident before they act. On paper, that makes sense. And it guarantees that you will never, ever get there. One thing that I see when I interact with my students is that they seem to approach confidence like it's some sort of magic trick, like it's gonna just appear out of nowhere. It doesn't, and any sort of temporary feeling that they had eventually fades away. And then they always surrender to the fear, and they freeze up, they opt out, or they do the opposite. I see a lot of bravado with that, but that's okay. I can smell the fear on you. I know you don't have confidence. It's written all over you. So here's why that happens. So a lot of times people's definition of confidence is usually backwards. It's composed of always knowing, doing the right thing all the time, never being nervous. But nervous is okay. Nervous is normal. Nervous is an indicator that you actually give a shit. Nervous is good. So, in the long term, the need to look confident exposes the truth. So if you're more concerned about looking confident than being confident, it's gonna show. It's gonna reveal itself from the way you talk. You're gonna be talking way too fast. You're gonna be over-explaining yourself. You're gonna be using unnecessary details that do not add to the conversation. And all of those are big, red, blinking lights that point to the fact that you aren't really confident in what you're talking about. And that's gonna show big time. So, what's the fix to all this? So, confidence is competence. So what that means is that it's a behavior. It's something that you need to do over and over again to build up. If you were confident, you wouldn't have clicked on this video and you wouldn't be here with me right now. So it's something that you're gonna have to do. You're gonna have to be okay with sucking. You're gonna suck. That's part of the process. It's all how you get to the top. So, behaviors and actions are the way to build the confidence. You cannot think yourself to confidence. If you could, we'd all do it. And if you could do it, let me know. I need to learn that. But confidence is built through competence, and that is built through behaviors and repetition. That's how we get to the top. So a few things that you guys can do to help grow your confidence. First being, do the things that you say you're going to do. Follow through on them, complete them, regardless of the outcome. That builds confidence in yourself that you are good no matter what happens, which is the bedrock for all of this. Another thing you can do in conversations is to speak slower and say less. The less you explain yourself, the more confident you feel, and the more people grow to trust that confidence. The third thing you guys could do for the David Goggins among you, be comfortable with being uncomfortable. Yeah, it sucks, but you expose yourself a little bit at a time to being uncomfortable. Next thing you know, you're taking ice baths and you're doing whatever else you need to do. Burn the boats, right? So those are all very helpful things that you guys can practice on your own. Starts the foundation, and that's where you gotta go. And then from there, everything else just built on top of that. So a book that helped me out with this kind of stuff is Mindset by Carol Dweck. So I'm not gonna give you guys the full recap, but it's a great primer on how to have a growth mindset versus a fixed mindset. I'm not gonna do the entire recap for you because go out and buy it, you bum. Learn something. Expand your horizons. That being said, I hope this video helped you guys out a lot. If it did, hit like, subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel. This is a fun little experiment for me, so this is a confidence builder for me. So we're doing it together, me and you. So, all right, I'll catch you guys in the next video.